Hello everyone and welcome to today's podcast. My name is ILLYA BATRIESYA from 21F and I am thrilled to dive into a topic that not just relevant but crucial for businesses navigating today's fast and tech-driven world. We are talking about overcoming common pitfalls in agile and data-driven management. So, agile practices and data-driven strategies have become cornerstones of success for many organizations, but they are not foolproof. Whether you are a seasoned manager, a budding entrepreneur, or someone who wants to know about how modern business operate, this episode will provide you insights that you can apply immediately. And there is three segment of this podcast, which is segment 1 consists common pitfalls in agile management, segment 2 is common pitfalls in data-driven management, and lastly is integrating agile and data-driven strategies. And let's begin. Let's begin by looking at some of the common pitfalls in agile management. Agile methodologies are designed to enhance flexibility, collaboration, and adaptability. But challenges arise when the principles are misunderstood or misapplied. Here are three key pitfalls to watch out for. Firstly, there is the issue of lack of team alignment. Agile works best when everyone is on the same page, but in reality, teams often struggle with miscommunication or unclear goals. For example, imagine a scenario where developers focus on building a feature that they think is critical, but the marketing team had a completely different priority in mind. So what is the solution? Clear communication channels are essentials. Daily stand-ups, shared project management tools like Jira or Trello, and a well-defined product backlog can ensure everyone's rowing in the same directions. Secondly, let's talk about overemphasis on speed. Agile promotes quick iterations, but when speed becomes the sole focus, it often leads to compromised quality. Think of it like crushing to bake cookies. Skipping the proper measurements might get them done faster, but the end result won't taste as good. To avoid this, teams should balance speed with quality by incorporating regular feedback loops and testing phases. And third, resistance to change can be a big hurdle. Transitioning to Agile often disrupts established workflows, and some team members might hesitate to adapt. Overcoming this, requires thoughtful change management, which is offering training programs, addressing concerns openly, or highlighting small wins to build momentum. Remember, agility is as much as mindset as it is a methodology. Now, let's shift gears and talk about data-driven management. Data is often described as the new oil, valuable, but only if refined and used correctly. Here are some pitfalls businesses encounter when relying on data-driven approaches. Firstly, there is first pitfall is data overload. With so much data available, it's easy to get overwhelmed. Companies might spend hours analyzing metrics without gaining actionable insights. The solution? Focus on key performance indicators or KPIs that align with your business goals. Tools like Tableau or Google Data Studio can help visualize data in a way that's easy to understand and actionable. Next, the issue of bias in data interpretation. Sometimes, teams unconsciously cherry-pick data that supports their preconceived ideas, which is leading to flawed decisions. To counter this, involve diverse teams in the analysis process and encourage open discussions. This approach will minimize biases and allows for well-rounded interpretations. Finally, we have ignoring human intuitions. In the race to become data-driven, some organizations forget the importance of qualitative insights. For instance, while numbers might suggest cutting a particular product, customer feedback might reveal that the product has untapped potential. Well, combining quantitative data with qualitative insights will ensure more balanced decision making. In segment 3, which is integrating agile and data-driven strategies. So, how can businesses successfully integrate agile and data-driven management? The key lies in synergy, which is allowing both approaches to complement each other. Here are some actionable strategies. Firstly, embrace iterative experimentation. Use data to guide your agile sprints and evaluate outcomes at every iteration. For example, if you are launching a new feature, leverage user data to refine it over time. Secondly, focus on real-time collaboration. Agile teams thrive on communication, and data can act as a central sources of truth. Dashboards that updates in real time can keep everyone aligned. Lastly, don't shy away from failure. Both agility and data-driven strategies are about learning and adapting. Celebrate the lessons, learn from experiments, and use them as a stepping stones to success. Companies like Spotify and Netflix excel in this area, constantly interacting and using data to enhance their user experience. So, to wrap things up, agility and data-driven management are powerful tools for modern businesses, but they are not without challenges. So, by addressing common pitfalls like a lack of alignment, data overload, and resistance to change, organizations can unlock their full potential. Remember, the goal isn't to avoid mistakes altogether, but to learn and grow from them. So thank you for tuning in today's podcast. I hope you found these insights valuable. If you have faced any of these pitfalls or have any tips of your own, I would love to hear from you. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment. Until next time, keep learning, keep adapting, and keep thriving. Thank you.